Several bearish candlestick patterns. Highlights. 1. The intermediate special for the Gate Learn Futures aims to help users build a framework of technical analysis, including the fundamental knowledge of candlestick charts, candlestick patterns, moving average and trend lines, and the application of technical indicators. 2. This issue introduces the common downtrend candlestick chart combinations as it looks to help traders identify certain bearish signals in the actual trading practice and better grasp the trading opportunities. 1. The Dusk Star. 1. Technical feature. 1. It occurs in an upward trend. 2. It consists of 3 candlestick charts. The first is a green line, the positive line. The second is a short high open green line, red line or a cross line, and the third is a red line, the negative line. 3. The third red entity transitions into the first green entity. 2. Technical meaning. The dusk star is the peak reversal signal. Traders better sell out as the market conveys a bearish trend. 2. Dark clouds covering the top. 1. Technical features. 1. It appears in an upward trend. 2. It consists of 2 candlestick charts, 1 green and 1 red. 3. It firstly shows a long green candlestick, then appears a long red candlestick with the jumping high price. 4. The red entity penetrates into less than half of the green entity. 2. Technical meaning. The dark clouds covering the top is the peak reversal signal. Traders better sell out as the market conveys a bearish trend. 3. Rounding top. 1. Technical features. 1. It appears in an upward or sideways finishing trend. 2. It shows a long candlestick at first, and then a series of short red and green candlesticks forming an arc top. 2. Technical meaning. The rounding top is the peak reversal signal. Traders better sell out as the market conveys a bearish trend. 4. 3 crows. 1. It appears in an upward trend. 2. It consists of 3 long red candlesticks with a jumping high opening price. 1. Technical meaning. The 3 crows is the peak reversal signal. It is suggested traders sell out as the following market conveys a bearish trend. The unstoppable decline. 1. Technical features. 1. It appears in a downward trend. 2. It features many red candlesticks mixed with several short green candlesticks. 3. The candlestick charts are arranged in a downward tilt state. 2. Technical meaning. The unstoppable decline is a bearish signal, so it is suggested that traders sell out. 6. The side air point. 1. Technical features. 1. It appears in a downward trend. 2. It consists of several candlestick charts. 3. It firstly shows a long red candlestick with a relatively long lower shadow candlestick. 4. The coin price, after a short rebounded period, falls below the last lower shadow candlestick at the next position. 2. Technical meaning. The side air point is a bearish signal, and the following market conveys a bearish trend. 7. Red-green-red signal. 1. Technical features. 1. It will appear either in an upward or downward trend. 2. It consists of 2 longer red candlesticks and 1 shorter green candlestick. 3. The green candlestick lies right between the 2 red candlesticks. 2. Technical meaning. 1. The red-green-red signal connotes the peak reversal and suggests traders sell out. 2. The red-green-red signal appears mainly in a downward trend but rarely in an upward one. 3. It remains bearish in a downward trend. 8. Brief summary. This issue explains the common falling combinations of candlestick charts from the technical features to the signal meaning. However, in practical application, traders need flexible judgment and mustn't mechanically copy the theory. If traders want to raise their winning rate, they'd better integrate technical analysis with other strategies and indicators, and make decisions under multiple verifications. With what you have learned in practice, you can play in the futures market with ease. Please go to the Gate.io futures platform and click registration to start your futures journey. Disclaimer: this article is for information only, and such information provided by Gate.io does not constitute any investment advice and is not responsible for any of your investments. Contents about technical analysis, market judgment, trading skills, trader sharing, and so on may involve potential risks, investment variables, and uncertainties. This article does not provide or imply any opportunity to guarantee returns. Asterisk: crypto investment involves significant risks. Please proceed with caution. The course is not intended as investment advice. Asterisk: the course is created by the author who has joined GateLearn. Any opinion shared by the author does not represent GateLearn.